If you love a loaf that's moist, tender, and naturally sweet, you're going to fall in love with this date orange, freshly milled flour loaf. Imagine the soft crumb from fresh milled hard white wheat, perfectly balanced with the deep caramel flavor of dates, and then add the bright, zesty aroma of fresh orange. It's absolutely irresistible. This low glycemic, nut free loaf stays soft and sliceable with flavor that intensifies as it rests. This quick bread will wow your senses with every bite. Let's dive in and we'll show you exactly how to make this beautiful, fragrant loaf. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, review products, delete toxins, reimagine recipes, and share legal minutes to help coach your business towards success. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, a perfectly moist, tender date orange loaf that's naturally sweetened with low glycemic dates. Every bite is packed with flavor. The bright orange aroma is amazing, and you can feel good about enjoying it any time of day. If you love baking with freshly milled flour, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check back for more of our recipes. And if you like this video, check out this video to watch more healthy recipes.